Oh, so we're going to start filming, or
Yeah, you ready to start? Okay.
is my hair okay?
Your hair is just great. Always living like that. Just like my hair. So yeah, we had to start this with a hair joke.
Quality, not quantity. That's the
I
thing.
know.
There we go.
That's what it's about. So, would you describe briefly what these I've Made Simple workshops in Canada will be about?
Yeah, so this is a workshop pitched at beginners to intermediate levels, and I think the title reflects the way I like to do training. I like to do training that's based on simplicity, clarity, and having fun. So how do we take these quite complex act concepts and make them simple for ourselves to get our heads around, and do them clearly with clients so that clients get the point and see how to do this and how it helps in their lives. And let's have some fun as we do that. If there's one thing that I do not like, it is dull, boring, tedious training. So there's a Zen saying, the first sign of mental health is laughing at yourself. And so I expect in these workshops we'll have a lot of fun and laughter amidst the learning.
Excellent.